Rockwell 350 liters freezers. Ranges include standard freezers, green freezers, Eutectic. Rockwell freezers are one of India's most efficient freezers. The SFR series standard freezers. SFR freezers are the standard economy range freezers. The SFR 350 freezers give a holdover time of up to 6 hours at full capacity. They consume 3 to 3.5 units of power per day. They have a soft look with caster wheels for easy movement. The SFR glass top freezers. Rockwell SFR 350 GT glass top freezers have a toughened and reflective glass door. They have a holdover time of up to 5 hours at full capacity and consume 4 to 4.5 units of power per day. They have a soft look with caster wheels for easy movement. The GFR series green freezers. The GFR freezers have high efficiency compressors saving power and money. They offer up to 53% power saving than standard freezers. They are super tropicalized to perform in extreme temperatures. With insulation of 90 mm high density PUF, they perform longer during power outages. They have least heat generation and a life up to 12 years. They have sleek recessed handle, patented noise-free hinges, 3-side air circulation for better heat transfer. They are dual purpose. They can be used both as deep freezer or chiller. They are manufactured at the IGBC Platinum rated green building facility. They are made using 100% renewable energy. They have longer life than conventional freezers. They have a longer holdover time than conventional freezers. The GFR Eutectic freezers have a long holdover time of up to 30 hours. The models include the GFR 350 SD freezers, they have a holdover time of up to 8 hours at full capacity. They consume 2 to 2.5 units of power per day. The premium range GFR 350 Eutectic freezers. They have a holdover time of up to 17 hours at full capacity. They consume 1.75 to 2.25 units of power per day. The GFR 350 inclined glass top freezers. The GFR 350 ICGT has a holdover time of up to 6 hours at full capacity. They consume 3 to 3.5 units of power per day. The premium range GFR 350 ICGT Eutectic freezers. They have a holdover time of up to 10 hours at full capacity. They consume 2.75 to 3.25 units of power per day. Success partners include Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Amul, Vadilal, Baskin-Robbins, among others.